Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix connecting issues on your Apple AirPod Pros 2. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your Apple AirPod Pros 2 aren't connecting to your mobile device. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now there's a few situations which might have happened to you. Make sure that you have the correct Apple AirPod Pros 2 and it didn't get mixed up with anything else. In addition to that, if you've connected your Apple AirPod Pros 2 to, let's say, your phone and your wife's phone or your spouse's phone, make sure that it's not connected to their phone. Those are some pretty simple steps, but you never know. Now, as far as what actionable steps that you can do, you could actually go into your phone, and then in your phone, you want to find your Apple AirPod Pros 2. So it's this right over here. And then you want to click on this eye icon, and then you want to click on forget this device, and then click on forget this device. So this is going to completely remove your Apple AirPod Pros 2 from your iPhone. Now the next thing that you want to do is that you want to reconnect it. So you want to click and hold the center button here and turn it into Bluetooth pairing mode. Now once it's in Bluetooth pairing mode, you want to see if that's able to connect to your phone right over here under Bluetooth settings. So once again, I'm going to click and hold that button, and let's see if that fixed the connection issue. So here we have it on under devices. It should appear, there it is, my AirPods Pro 2. So now the connection has been fixed. If you still don't see the connection of your Apple AirPod Pros 2, the last thing that you can do is that you can do a factory reset of your Apple AirPod Pros 2. Now, in order to do that, what you'll do is that you'll open up the case, and then you're going to press and hold this center button until the light here is orange, okay? So hold it for 15 seconds, and then the light's going to turn orange, and then afterwards, it's going to turn white. Once that is complete, that means you factory reset your Apple AirPod Pros 2. So then, assuming the other thing I told you before, just simply click and hold the button again, put it into pairing mode, and then see if that connection issue resolves. So here we have our Apple AirPod Pros 2 appearing in just a second, and there it is. But let me know if these solutions help you out, guys. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.